Hello, first graders, and welcome back to another day of your reading job. Today, for this video, you are going to need your Green Journeys book. If you don't have it, pause the video and run and get your Green Journeys book. All right, now that you have your Green Journeys book, we are going to open to pages 58 and 59. It will look like this. Pages 58 and 59. All right, boys and girls, now that you have found pages 58 and 59, we're going to go ahead and read this story together. This story is called Storms, and it is an informational text. Let's tap our brains when we say that. An informational text gives facts on a topic. It can be from a textbook, an article from a magazine, or even an article from a website. Look for storm facts as we read this. A fact is real life, not made up. All right, boys and girls, we are also going to see photographs. And photographs show pictures of real things with important details. So, the pictures you're going to see in this story are real life. They're from real life. They're not made up. So, buckle up, first graders. You may follow along with your eyes in your book or on the screen. All right.
A storm is a strong wind with rain or snow. It may have hail or sleet. Warm, light air goes up quickly. It mixes with high, cold air. Look, it's a storm. This is a lightning storm in Pampa, Texas. Kinds of storms. A thunderstorm has thunder and lightning. It can bring heavy rain. A tornado is a strong, twisting wind. It is shaped like a cone. A hurricane is a very big storm. It has strong, spinning winds and rain. A dust storm is a strong wind that carries dust for miles. Rain gauge, thermometer, wind gauge, wind sock. Measuring storms. Scientists have tools for measuring storms. They measure heat and cold. They measure the wind. They measure rainfall and snowfall too. What storms have you seen?
All right, boys and girls, we are going to use this informational text for the rest of our reading job today. So keep your book close and don't go anywhere.